Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about the Smart Funnel Builder feature. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go to the description section to sign up for your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome resources in the description section as well. So make sure you check those out. So the Smart Funnel Builder feature is basically using AI to build funnels for you. And so I'm in my demo ClickFunnels account right now. And if we go to this right here, this Smart Funnel Builder, and if we click on it, this is where we can start the process of using AI to build our sales funnel. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to identify the funnel type. So basically, what type of funnel do you want to build? Whether it's an opt-in funnel, application funnel, webinar funnel, summit funnel, bridge funnel, or video series. Now, what's super nice about this is that you could identify the funnel type. So let's say webinar funnel, and it also gives you a description of that funnel. So for example, the webinar funnel gives the entrepreneur more time to close potential customers at a higher price point, as most webinars are at least 1 hour long and gives more time to address the false beliefs of customers. Webinar funnels are an event and are broken into two phases. During the first phase, visitors register for a seat to attend and hear success stories to increase curiosity. During the second phase, visitors attend the live webinar and watch replays while the window to buy begins to close, creating true scarcity and urgency. So what we're going to do is we're going to select the webinar funnel as our funnel type. We're going to click next. And then this is where we select the color and style. So first we need to pick our main brand color. So if we pick, let's say this, let's do a little bit more, let's actually do a red one, kind of maybe a deep red. It's going to start generating some other colors that would complement this color. So let's say, for example, we don't like this light accent. Let's say we want it to be maybe a little bit lighter. Actually, we'll say, hey, we actually want it to be a different color, maybe like a blue. And then if we click regenerate, it's going to keep regenerating different colors as many times as you click on the regenerate button. So if we click on it again, kind of keeps regenerating the colors. And then down here below, this is where we could select the style. So we could either have blocky and bordered, colorful, which is primary color, and rounded, and then rounded, minimal, and rounded. So if we click rounded, we'll do that, then we'll click next. Now this is where we select the type of images. So do we want isometric 3D images, flat illustration, or stock photos? So we'll say we want flat illustration, and then click next. So this is where we identify the copy. So this is where it gives us an example copy. So over here on the left-hand side, we have unlock your dream home today. Discover how easy it can be to find the perfect space for you and your family. Now, over here on the right-hand side, this is where we could add further details about ourselves and also about our offer. So I'm a funnel builder, so let's create one about a funnel builder. So we say, I am a funnel builder that specializes in building high converting sales funnels for local service businesses like real estate agents, CPA/tax firms, we'll say financial advisors, and law firms. Let's see what it generates so far. Then down here below, this is where we could identify our tone. So for example, we could do neutral, playful, professional, friendly, informative, and quirky. So maybe let's click professional. See what it says. Unlock the power of high converting sales funnels for your local service business. Transform your leads into loyal clients with tailored funnels designed specifically for real estate agents, CPA firms, financial advisors, and law firms. That sounds pretty good. So let's go down to the bottom and let's click create. So it says our AI engine is hard at work crafting your funnel, refining your copy, and designing your site elements. Please bear with us as this process typically takes about 5 minutes. At least the times I've used the Smart Funnel Builder feature, it usually takes about a couple minutes, not the total 5 minutes. So we'll see how long it takes, and it looks like it's done now. So we're going to click on Customize Now, and it's going to take us directly to the funnel in the funnel editor. So right here, it gives us the pages. So we have the perfect webinar squeeze page. We have the webinar thank you page, the broadcast page, the order form, and the thank you page. So these are the 5 pages. So just to kind of give you a high level overview of the strategy, this is where we would send people, so send the traffic to this page where they would register for the webinar. This is the second page of the funnel, so the thank you page. And then down here, the broadcast page, this is where we would direct people for either the replay of the webinar. And then down here, this is where we send people to purchase our offer, and then the thank you page of the offer or the order form. So if we scroll up to the top under the perfect webinar squeeze page, let's click edit to see how it looks. Okay, so this is our funnel. And so the pro of using the Smart Funnel Builder is that there's a lot of different elements such as the rows, the divider, the headlines, the paragraph elements. And so this is kind of a quick, easy way to build the structure of the webinar funnel. Now, you do have to go in here and tweak let's say the copy or the images according to your brand and business as well. So like up here, this is just a placeholder for your logo. So you'll just need to make sure you update that. But overall, in terms of the structure and everything, I think this is a good start, especially if you're not techie or if you just want to kind of get the structure down and then adjust it as you go. So this is a really good start. So if we go down here, so we have the what, when, why, and then down here below is the footer where we would add the image, so your logo, and then down here, this is where you would update your business information. So we kind of keep clicking down. This is the thank you page. So this is thank you for registering, and then just a couple of tips. And then this is the broadcast page. So this is where you would upload your video. So if we click on it here, so you could just put the video URL, whether it's YouTube, Vimeo, Voomly, or some other video hosting site. And then down here below, this is where you could adjust it, where it shows that special offer. And then it takes us to the order form page, which with the order form page, you'll have to create a product and then attach that product on here. And then you'll just also have to adjust it as well. And then this is the thank you page. So with the confirmation. So like I mentioned, this is a really good start if you're not techie and you just get the structure down, and then you could just edit along the way. And yeah, you'll just need to update it based on your brand's color, your vibe, and also the copy as well and who you're targeting. But I would say this is a really good start. So if you have any questions about the Smart Funnel Builder feature, feel free to reach out to me, whether booking a call, or you could also comment below on this video, and I'd love to help you out and talk more about it.